Hello again, we are upstairs. I'm gonna show you upstairs bathroom. We made that bathroom with my friend, with my colleague, friend. Good plumber, very good plumber. As you can see on the left, we've got one wall hung toilet, and in here it's gonna be big wash basin. In here the pipes going to the bathtub and for the shower tub. Yeah, everything is already done. And this T in here, as you can see, this pipe in here, this is vent pipe. This pipe is going into here, and tomorrow we're gonna connect that pipe to that T, yeah, because that big pipe over there is vent pipe and it's going up to the roof, and then we'll connect with another pipe which we're going above the roof to ventilate all that system, yeah. Okay, thank you for watching. I will make more videos for you. We have to go home now. Bye bye. Oh yeah.